Hi there, welcome back to another morning flow. It's a gentle flow for all levels. With this, you can start your day in a little more energetic manner and you feel more rejuvenated. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit up in Vajrasana where you keep your hips over your heels if possible. Use pillow or any support under your knees if you have to. Sit up straight as much as you can. Close your eyes if you haven't already. And then place your hands over your knees and breathe nicely. Try to focus on your inhalations and exhalations. With every exhalation, you try to focus more. And then gently open your eyes. Place your palms right in front of the body in child's pose. Try to open your shoulders with this and lower down your hips as much you can. Keep looking in between the thumbs or over the yoga mat and breathe. Feel the nice deep stretch in your shoulder blades and then gradually sit upright again. Again, take a couple of breaths and then from here, take your hands to the sides of your body. Open them to the sides, first to the left side. With exhale, you come back to the center and then with inhale to the right. Keep your hands strong and sturdy and then again to the left side. With this, you can twist your spine, also work on your shoulders and upper body. And then exhale to the center. Place your hands to the back of your neck or back of the head. Open your chest, give a gentle back bend to your spine, and then completely fold forward. Go as low as you can, if possibly, touch the floor with your forehead. Then with the inhale again, open your chest and with exhale, fold forward. Now again, sit up straight. This time, get into all your fours where your hips and knees are in a line, shoulder and palms are in a line. Keep your hands open, wide open, fingers spread out, and then put your weight forward and then back. Once you put your weight forward, you inhale and then you exhale, come back. Now, take your one hand ahead of you and the other hand folded to distribute the weight of your body and to give a nice stretch to your wrist as well. Change your side to the other side and then back to the center, and here you fold both the palms and try to lower down your hips with the control without having any trouble in your wrists. And then breathe nicely. Extend your hands right in front of the body. You can keep your knees wide open if you need to, and then place your palms together in the back of your neck. This will really open up your forearms and help you to calm down, relax your nervous system. Stretch nicely. And extend your hands right in front of your body. Take your hand, left hand straight, right hand straight, and now with inhale you look up and then exhale you curl your spine. You can keep your toes tucked in or out as per your choice. Inhale and exhale, curl your spine completely. Inhale, look ahead, look up. And then exhale, look at the navel. And then with inhale, extend your right hand and left foot out. As you exhale, bring your hand and knee close to your belly. Release. Then inhale, this time left hand and right leg at the back. Breathe over here. And then exhale, completely squeeze your belly in. And then release the pose. Come to all fours again. And gently sit up back in Vajrasana. And this time take both the hands at the back of your hips and try to drop your weight to the back side while keeping the chest open but in control. Breathe nicely. And then get into a simple back bend where you keep your elbows in a line to your shoulder and your palms facing down, completely relaxed, feet pointed at the back. And then relax nicely. Breathe. And then place your palms right next to your chest and inhale. You can also look at your both the heels to create some more movement in and around your upper body. And then inhale, get into a deeper back bend. Exhale, come down. This time inhale, try to lift up your body in upward facing dog. And hold. And then eventually drop your thighs and relax. And with control, get into a forward fold. And then sit up straight. Now from here, extend both the legs right in front of your body. And then inhale, take your hands above your head. And with exhale, hands touching big toes or at the shin bone or over the knees, wherever you can reach. If possible, grab both the big toes. Keep your spine as much as straight. If needed, bend your knees and fold as much you can. And then with exhale, release the pose. Now keep your right foot next to the left thigh. Support your right knee with your right elbow and take your left hand to the back of your hip and then breathe here. Give a nice twist to your spine. Now also twist to the right side by changing the hand. Breathe nicely. And then exhale, look ahead and release the pose. Now this time bring your left foot next to the right thigh. First take your right elbow support and twist to right side first. Come back to center and this time twist to your left side. Nicely give a good nice twist to your spine. And then with inhale, look ahead and release the pose. Now try to hold both the feet with your hands. Also, you can keep them over your knees. Now open up your legs wide open and use your interlocked fingers to create big circles around your feet. This is called Chakki Sanchalanasana. And then very mindfully try to sit into a lower squat Malasana, where you keep your chest open, hips lowered, feet slightly open, 45-degree angle. They are firm over the mat. And you can keep your hands at the heart center or over the knees and breathe nicely. From here, get into a Baddha Konasana where you keep your both the feet together, knees to the sides, and breathe nicely. If you are comfortable, fold forward in butterfly pose and breathe. Hold the pose and continue breathing. Now, if possible, bring both the feet together closer to your groin and place your hands over the yoga mat and get into a forward fold and breathe nicely. Breathe and then inhale, look up and relax over here. Now lie down over your yoga mat facing your back. Adjust your legs right next to your hips. Try to lower down your lower back to the yoga mat. Take your both legs and then stretch them one at a time while not touching the floor. Keep the other one active and up in the air. Extend both the legs one by one. You can feel the breath by holding your hand over your belly. Now hold one leg and hold the pose. Breathe nicely. This time fold the right leg and extend the left leg out. Breathe. Fold both legs together this time and gently lower the feet down. Try to hold your both the heel using your hands and inhale, lift up your hips in bridge pose, or you can interlock your both the hand right beneath your hips and hold the pose and continue breathing. While you inhale, your belly rises up and exhale, you squeeze out all the air from your belly and with control exhale, come down. Inhale, hold and continue breathing. Hold the pose. Keep breathing and then with exhale, gently lower down. Now fold your right leg in Pavan Muktasana. Extend the left leg down. Hold it. And now use your hands to hold the big toe of your right hand and bend your knee if you have to and stretch your leg in the air. Try to straighten your leg as much you can and then release. Now fold the left leg in Pavan Muktasana and extend the right leg down over the floor. Breathe for up to 5 rounds. And then when you feel ready, bring it close to your chest and grab the big toe if you can and extend the left leg. Give a good nice stretch to your hamstrings and continue breathing. And then whenever you feel ready, with exhale, release the leg and extend back to the floor. Try to get into a comfortable Shavasana where your legs are wide open around the yoga mat, hands are wide open to the sides of your body, palms are facing to the ceiling. Let your body relax at this moment and try to listen to my instructions very carefully. You do not move your body at this moment, but be aware with your breathing pattern. You inhale, your belly rises up, and exhale, you squeeze out all the air from your belly. Inhale and then exhale. You let your whole body relax really nicely. Your whole leg is getting relaxed, your feet is getting relaxed, Your frontal part of the leg is getting relaxed. Your hands are getting relaxed. Your whole spine, upper spine, middle spine, and the lower spine is getting relaxed. Your whole back of the shoulder and the whole shoulder is getting relaxed. Your neck, back of the neck is getting relaxed. Your entire head, front part of the head, top of the head, and back of the head is also getting relaxed. Your facial muscles are getting relaxed. Your chest and upper body is feeling relaxed. Your belly and the entire abdomen is feeling relaxed. Allow yourself to relax for as long as you want and take this time to tell yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself, for choosing to practice. And whenever you feel ready, stretch your body, make some movement in your body, and then fold to either side of your body. Take support and sit upright. You can choose to keep your eyes closed still. Take a couple of more rounds of breath over here. And feel all the nice vibrations and relaxations you have created in your body. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, gather the energy, and you are ready to kickstart your day. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye and take care.